Welcome back to Product Critique, where we break down the gear you need with no-nonsense reviews. Today, we're looking at what is arguably the best crossbow package scope cocking rope on the market right now. The CenterPoint AXCRPCKR Crossbow Rope Cocker. This little tool might not look like much, but for crossbow users, it can completely change your shooting experience. Whether you're a seasoned hunter or a weekend warrior, cocking a crossbow the right way is critical for both performance and safety. And that's where the AXCRPCKR steps in. Let's start with the design. The CenterPoint Rope Cocker features a durable, sleek black build made from high-quality materials. It's built to withstand rugged outdoor conditions, whether it's stored in your truck or tossed in your hunting backpack. The color is simple and tactical, blending seamlessly into your gear layout without drawing attention. One of the standout features is the roller glide hooks. These aren't just your average clips. They're designed to latch onto the crossbow string effortlessly and provide a smooth glide as you pull. That smoothness reduces jerky movements, which is great for both safety and accuracy. Now, onto one of the most important benefits. This rope cocker reduces draw weight by up to 50%. That means if your crossbow normally takes 150 pounds of force to cock, with this device, it's like pulling only 75 pounds. That's a game changer for shooters who struggle with high draw weights or those who just want to preserve energy across multiple shots. Another solid feature is the rope length, 46 inches long, giving you ample space and leverage to work with crossbows of varying sizes. And it's equipped with ergonomic T-handles. These are not just about comfort. They give you a secure grip so your hands won't slip mid-draw, even with gloves on or in wet weather. What's really practical about this product is its portability. It's compact, lightweight, and doesn't require any mounting or modifications to your crossbow. That means it's compatible with most crossbows right out of the box. It's literally grab, hook, pull, and go. Whether you're on a tree stand or kneeling in the bush, it gets the job done without hassle. Another tip. A lot of users actually keep two of these. One in their backpack and one in the truck. That way, if something happens to your main rope cocker, you've got a backup ready. It's affordable enough to justify having a spare. Now, let's talk compatibility. The CenterPoint AXCRPCKR is designed for use with most crossbow models, not just CenterPoint's lineup. So if you're using a 10-point, Barnett, or Wicked Ridge, chances are this rope cocker is going to work just fine for you. It's versatile, and it's not locked into a single brand ecosystem. In terms of value, this product punches above its weight. You're getting a rugged, efficient, and essential tool at a budget-friendly price point. It's not just about making your shooting experience easier. It's about protecting your gear, your back, and your shooting consistency over time. If you're looking for a reliable, no-fuss cocking aid that works in the field every time, this is the one. It's lightweight, efficient, and built to perform. Whether you're a beginner trying to ease into the sport or an experienced hunter looking for a dependable tool, this rope cocker delivers. That wraps it up for today's product critique. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more gear breakdowns, and let us know in the comments what crossbow accessories you'd like us to review next. Thanks for watching, and as always, stay sharp out there.